Hey guys, I wanted to get with you and let you know on a 2021 F-150 with the 5-liter Coyote in it. I wanted to change the sound of it a little bit. It already had a great sound stock, but what we did is we came in and we installed the Magnaflow 12579. It is a 3-inch inlet, 3-inch outlet, all stainless muffler, and removed the original muffler. However, we did retain the stock resonator, mainly because we were trying to keep the truck about the same sound level dB wise as it was originally. We want it pretty quiet, but we wanted to change the low end growl of the engine. So we did that. Then we put a Dynamax stainless exhaust tip on it, a 4-inch stainless exhaust tip, which required about 11-12 inches of tailpipe to be removed, and then it was all welded on. It did the job nicely. It finished it off, made it look good. So, but anyway, just wanted to give you a heads up, and that's a 12579 Magnaflow. Great muffler. It's real close to the stock dimensions and length, so you don't have to sacrifice a lot of the pipe or a lot of modifications to the truck. So it works great, sounds great, and I really enjoy it. Check back with us. This is James with Jammin Classics. Hit the subscribe. Check out our videos online, and we'll be putting more on as we go.